How to create Canva presentations step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys everything you need to know about creating presentations in Canva and some helpful tips and tricks that can help you in elevating your presentations to the next level. So let's get into it. Now, creating a presentation on Canva can seem like a really tedious task, especially if you're someone that wants a unique appearance for their presentation. Then, using a standard template might be a bit too boring for you. So, I'm going to show you guys different ways you can elevate your presentations, as well as how you can take pre made templates and customize them to be your own. So, the first thing you're going to do is if you have Canva Pro, go into your Canva dashboard. Over here on the left, you have your brand kits. In your brand kits, you can set up a particular style. So just click on Set Up Brand Kit. You can skip the tour, skip all the logos, and instead just add a color palette. Now, this is only for people that are using Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you're not going to have access to this. But what I would recommend is that you make sure to note this. The reason for this is because if you are not even using Canva Pro, you can still take this color palette from here and you are still going to be able to take the color schemes and make them your own. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of dark toned browns over here, like this, earthy browns. Over here like this. I'm going to make sure they're like super nice and dark. And then I'm also going to add two light colors. And I'm just going to take a lavender-esque light color like this. And then a green light color. Now, with any color palette that you are building, it's really important to make sure that you have a good contrast between the colors and three or two complementary colors. Then you can add your colors as well as then your fonts, so the titles, subtitles. You can set the type of font that you want to use for that as well. I'm only going to set the color scheme. And once you have completed your brand kit or your brand colors, you can simply go back into your colors and you have a simple little color scheme. Now, when we go ahead and present or start creating our presentation, simply head on over to your Canva dashboard and search for presentation. Now, there are different formats of presentations. You might have a 16 by 9, which is a standard presentation, which we're going to be making today. Now, once you search for a presentation, you're going to have a large array of templates. Within these templates, you can find different niches and industries. So, find the particular niche that you would be most interested in. Let's say that I want to create a presentation for a new product. So you will see that there are multiple different types of presentations, and you can go ahead and go into style and pick out a style. You can filter out a particular theme as well as feature. Now, for me, I'm going to create something really simple. So I will take this pitch desk and I will customize this template. You can pick out any template that you want. Canva has abundance of free templates as well as paid templates. Now, once you actually take a template, and if you do have Canva Pro, what you can do is you can go into brand on the left and you will see your color palette. Simply add this color palette and click on apply to all pages. And you can shuffle around with the colors as well. So you can shuffle the color scheme you want to follow, like this one over here, this one over here. Let's say I want this one. So now I have applied this color scheme throughout my entire presentation. This is a really easy lifesaver that can help you in setting up a color scheme for your presentation. Now, moving on to the next section, it's time to start creating our presentation. So, we are going to be promoting our lavender skin and then a simple pitch like this. Now, I might want to add a product image. So, to add product images, all you have to do is go into uploads on the left and upload your files. I will be just searching for product images off of Canva itself. They have a large array of images available. And if you take a look at this product over here, so I'll just search for skincare product or I'll just search for a serum like this. And you will see there are quite a few different bottles and all that available. But what I want is that I want this image, but I don't want the background. So to do that, just select the image of choice and then go into apps on the bottom left. Then scroll down and you will be able to see background remover. And if you can't find it, just simply search for remove BG and you will see this app called background eraser. Simply choose your file, and for that, you will need to download your image file and you can remove the background for your image. So, what we're going to do is we're going to choose our file and we will have to, take the image like this and then click on share, click on download this as a JPEG, and I only want to download the current page. Click on download, and it only takes a second. You can just resize the image if you're using a Canva image. And now we're just going to take this image from here, click on remove background. And what this will allow you to do is that you can remove backgrounds from any image. So whatever type of presentation you have, you can easily incorporate your own images into your presentation. Now you will see the background would be removed. Now, another really important thing to note is that if you don't have relevant images and if you can't find vectors or interesting graphics for your product or for your presentation, another amazing tool with Canva, and this is available for even the free versions of Canva, is that you can go into apps on the left and search for Magic AI. Now, if you can't find it, we're just going to search for Magic and you will see this section called Magic Media. So click on this and you can easily generate a image or graphic or video. So I want a lavender skincare serum bottle. And what this will do is that this will generate a graphic for me. So even if I don't have a idea as of yet of how I want to create these products or this particular item, I can easily generate images, generate graphics, or even videos. So this can actually help you in, creating different ideas as well as expanding upon your ideas. I'm going to take a couple of these images and they look really nice with the overall appearance of our presentation. Now, to edit any of these sections of your presentation template, simply select the text and you are going to be able to change it like this. Now, if you want to resize the text, you can easily do it by holding the text box or you can even adjust the fonts. Then another really important thing is to animate your presentation. So you will see on the top left, a animation is present within this particular presentation template. For most templates, they already have a animation. You guys will see they have this pan animation. Now, this is usually applied to all the pages, but I'm going to click on remove animation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on animate and I can choose my own type of animation that I want. I want this to be a corporate and only want it to be on entrance like this. Then I can click on apply to all pages and this will be applied throughout my pages. So now when I present my presentation, there is this really nice and simple animation that looks really clean. Plus, you can actually add a different animation between pages. So if I want, I can add a different one to each individual page. Plus, in Canva presentations, you can even animate the elements. So if I want, I can even add things like this, where I have this rotate effect, the wiggle effect, like this, the flicker effect over here. So let's say I want to make this flicker or pulse like this. So it really depends on your personal style preferences. Once you have completed creating your presentation, simply click on share and download, and you can download this as a PDF, PPTX, as well as PDF print. And you can also share your Canva presentations in the form of a link so you can open them up in Canva. To do that, just click on share, open the collaboration link, and click on anyone with the link. Then give the permissions to only viewership. Now, anyone that opens the link will have the ability to only view your presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.